slightly sticky, but I think most of the adhesive is gone now. So I'll spray some all over the and if you wanted, you can even use Windex, because that's basically what Novus 1 is just Windex. Again, I'll let this sit. And that should do her. With all the cleanings and stuff, this will come off anyways too. Any of the adhesive that I didn't get. Man, this is so beautiful. It's like glass almost. It's so... the colors just pop on this stuff that I took off, the Mylar. And yes, I did clean my hands, so before I started to spray the Novus on. Look at that shine. I just and you can tell the mylar piece to the non. As you can see, it's a lot duller, but I'll take care of that. I'm going to clean the playfield, and then I'm going to do a clear coat on it. And I'll be doing 4 coats total of the clear coat. And I'll be sanding the playfield also on the coats also. So that's that for today. And let's see, I started this on April 30th of 2010, and it's 3:50 a.m. May 1st now. So well, I'll see you at another time. I hope you enjoyed me restoring high-speed pinball as I have. I know it's been an adventure, and it's quite chaotic for me to take all this stuff off and then try and figure out where everything goes. But it'll look good when it's done. But anyways, this is Day 182, signing off for today. Thanks for watching.